In a groundbreaking moment at the Oscars, costume designer Ruth E. Carter made history as the first Black woman to win 2 Academy Awards. Carter won Best Costume Design for her exceptional work on Black Panther, Wakanda Forever. She said, "Together we are reshaping how culture is represented." Carter's costumes in Wakanda Forever are more than just clothing. They're a fusion of advanced technology and traditional design. Many costumes had to be adapted for underwater scenes in the mysterious kingdom of Talokan. And here's the real star of the show: 3D-printed headdresses and mantles, pushing the boundaries of costume design. We couldn't go as soft as we did in the first film. We ask, how can we push the boundaries? Carter's designs showcase the essence of Afrofuturism, reimagining the Black experience in a futuristic world. The regal attire of Queen Ramonda is a symbol of power and progress. 3D printing revolutionizes costume design, allowing for intricate, lightweight, and sustainable creations. Patterns and designs take inspiration from different cultures, creating a visually stunning tapestry. Carter says, "We are our future, living Afro-future." Designers from around the world contribute to this film. Ruth E. Carter's groundbreaking work in costume design pushes the boundaries of fashion and storytelling. A true masterpiece.